Hi, welcome to Love Vegan Kitchen. Today we are going to cook vegan duck pineapple curry. So ingredient in front of me today is I got some vegan ducks here, and then also pineapple. It's go very well with vegan ducks. And we got some red curry paste over here, also vegan. And I have some vegetable oil that to cook later, and then I have some tomato as well, and white onion, and this red chili for decorating. And I also got palm sugar and have a little bit of salt. Where's my salt? Yeah, we're gonna add about half a teaspoon of salt later. And I have some basil to put in the curry, and also you can use this for garnish. And important thing is the coconut milk. So I got some good coconut milk in here. So we cook rice curry and we always use the coconut milk. So now I'm gonna move to the hob and do some cooking every day, and see you in a minute. Now time to cook. So you heat the pan up in medium heat and add some vegetable oil, and I'm gonna put some red curry in it. Add some red curry paste into it, and you cook it for a couple minutes until it's aroma smell nice, and then you add some coconut milk in after that. So after a few minutes, as you can see, the curry paste is start to turn in like this. So I'm gonna add some coconut milk. The coconut milk I use today about 200 milliliters, and then you also can add some water, the same amount. So you can put the heat on a high heat now, and then leave it for a couple minutes, and then you add your ducks in it. Get some water in a second. So make sure you stir the curry paste really well and not have any lumps in it. So in Love Vegan channel we have a few curry recipe now. If you would like to look, there's a playlist up at the top of the video, so you can click that to learn how to cook a different curry as well. Now I'm going to add 200 ml of water. And now you can see this starts simmering, so we're gonna add some ducks. And also add pineapple at the same time. And I'll let it cook for 5 minutes, and then after that we'll add the rest of the ingredient like white onion and tomato. So after 5 minutes you can see that the pineapple is released some juice and some sweetness. So I'm gonna add some white onion into the pan, and then cherry tomato or plum tomato. There we go. And at this point you can also add some salt and palm sugar. There's about half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna add some palm sugar in as well, and leave it to cook for another 5 minutes, and then the curry will be ready. So after 5 minutes you can see everything is cooked now. So I'm gonna add some basil leaf in it, or sweet basil leaf, so if you have it, to give some aroma and some color, and sprinkle some of the red pepper. So add your duck pineapple curry is all done. We're gonna go and serve it up today. I'm gonna serve with white rice, so let's go. So it's time to dish up. So we're gonna dish the curries in the bowl and then serve it with the white rice that I said earlier. We're gonna decorate it with some red chili and basil leaf. So this is your duck curry today. Time for taste test now. Let's try the curry.
Ooh, I don't know what to try first. Okay.
It's a little bit hot.
No, it's not that hot.
Not that hot. Not that spicy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's. I'm gonna try some of it, right? Yeah.
What do you think
Oh my
about
god,
it?
that is so good.
Oh,
What?
Do
Yeah.
you like pineapple?
I love pineapple so much.
Yeah. This is vegan duck.
Yeah, I've never had vegan duck before.
Yeah.
Actually, I've never had duck before, so I don't know what to compare it to, but it's really good. Oh my god. Try some of the pineapple. Yeah.
It's a really nice combination of flavors.
That's really good.
Yeah, I love the sweet that goes with the spicy.
Yeah, it's so good.
So as you can see, the duck's pineapple rice curry today is really easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. And please, if you like this video, leave the comment down below and don't forget to click likes and subscribe to supporting us. And vegan food is come out every Thursday at 7 p.m. UK time. I will see you in the next video next Thursday. See you. Bye bye for today.